Picture this: your little one is running around, full of energy, and then a sudden tumble and a small scrape appears on their knee or elbow. Your first instinct might be to reach for that familiar tube of antibiotic ointment. But is it truly necessary every single time? The direct answer is no. Antibiotic ointment is not always needed for a child's scrape. For most minor scrapes and cuts, simple and thorough cleaning with soap and water is often enough to prevent infection and help the wound heal beautifully. The reason why this simple approach often works so well lies in the amazing power of your child's own body. Skin acts as a remarkable natural barrier, and when it is broken by a minor scrape, the body's immune system immediately springs into action. White blood cells rush to the site to fight off any potential germs and start the healing process. Overuse of antibiotic ointments for every tiny wound can sometimes contribute to antibiotic resistance over time, making them less effective when they are truly needed for more serious infections. So how do you know what to do? For a minor scrape, first, gently wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Then, clean the scrape itself with mild soap and cool running water for several minutes to remove any dirt or debris. Pat it dry with a clean cloth, and if you wish, apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly to keep the wound moist, which can help with healing. Finally, cover it with a clean bandage. This routine is generally sufficient for preventing infection in superficial wounds. However, there are specific situations where antibiotic ointment can be helpful. If the scrape is deeper, particularly dirty, or if your child has a compromised immune system, a thin layer of over-the-counter antibiotic ointment can offer an extra layer of protection against certain bacteria. It is important to look for signs of infection such as increasing redness, swelling, pus, warmth, or fever, and to contact your pediatrician if you notice any of these symptoms. Ultimately, understanding when to reach for the antibiotic ointment and when to relying on simple cleaning empowers you to provide the best care for your child's minor injuries. It supports their body's natural healing abilities while reserving stronger treatments for when they are truly necessary, ensuring effective and mindful wound care.